best years and moments of my coaching career is linked and connected with Goran Dragic, and he's got a special place in my personal life and life of my family.
Always something we talked about, how it would be fun to play together, and we finally got the chance in Chicago. We still had some good moments on the floor and spent some good time off the floor.
Even though, of course, we were competitors on the court, but off the court, he was the first one to come and speak to me and ask me about the family. And he's just a kind-hearted man and always wants to help out, and was a heck of a player and heck of a competitor.
It's just his style of play, the way he slashes up and down the floor. You know, whatever team he's ever been on, he's always been very successful with that style of play. And it's very, very pleasing, very pleasing to the eye.
Well, it's tough for me to think of one story, one moment, but I definitely think back at the time when he joined the Suns, and being a veteran player and having a young rookie point guard from Europe, you know, that's a big jump. He never quit. He came back every day, kept fighting. He was never afraid of the moment, and you know, I think that's because of the toughness he has inside.
You know, back in the days, there was always this talk: the Europeans only have bigs that can play, and yeah, that was big for European guards. That era with Tony and Goran coming in and showing that European guards can lead a team.
And you can feel how much love and respect Goran has, and coming from people even who don't follow basketball as much as we do. He's a true ambassador of the Slovenian sports.
He was one of the few early on Europeans that really had a huge impact in the NBA.
Goran has had a tremendous career. He's one of the Europeans that make the huge impact in NBA.
So I think that example he sets for kids in Slovenia, Europe, in the NBA, people watching around the world, you know, you can see there's someone there playing with passion, playing the right way.
Seeing him playing that game, I think it was playoffs against Spurs.
I would never forget that's a Western Conference semifinals, game 5 in San Antonio.
Had our number for years, and you know, we were able to turn the tables that series, but Goran had an incredible game.
Goran had an absolutely unbelievable fourth quarter against the San Antonio Spurs, and that was a hell of a Spurs lineup too.
That was his moment. Okay, I'm Dragic, I'm Goran Dragic, and I'm here in NBA.
Maybe 24 points in the second half. He dominated the game. He was the player of the game.
To announce himself to the world, you know, in the playoffs where the lights are bright.
That game, he got the chance to play against one of the best first team ever, and he absolutely destroyed them.
And after the game, I gave him a hug. I told him, listen, that was a $1 million game. So I'll never forget. He was unbelievable, and from there, his career went just up.
Hey, Gogi.
Hey, Gogi, this is Dirk.
Hey, Gogi.
Goran, congratulations.
Thanks for everything you've done for the basketball world, for European basketball.
Not only a champion for your country in Europe, but also an all-star in the NBA.
Thank you for inspiring us and motivating us for all these years.
Thank you for everything.
Enjoy life with your children and your families, and all the best.
Dear Goran, thank you so much for everything you did for us.
You know, you have a friend in me forever.
To be a teammate of yours, to be a friend, to having a chance to coach you, you know, all those experiences mean a tremendous amount to me. You're a special person, and I'm really grateful that I got to play with you. So thank you, Goran, and congrats.
Isto što kaj dodati. Nikaj dovolj odgovorna.
Ajmo, let's go. Let's go. Love you, Stevan, everybody. What a player, what a person. Thank you for all of you. I love you.
Definitivno čustvena in definitivno bo še čustvena. Košarkarje na čelu Gorana Dragića, 22 se počasi vrne na igrišče.